Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best AeroGarden is probably one of the most exciting and accessible ways to bring the joy of gardening indoors, allowing anyone, regardless of space or experience, to cultivate fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers right in their own kitchen or living room. Imagine harvesting your own basil for pasta or fresh mint for a refreshing drink, all grown effortlessly with this innovative hydroponic system that takes the guesswork out of plant care and delivers consistent, bountiful results. Number 5. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden Hydroponic System. Experience the joy of abundant harvests year-round with this indoor hydroponic system. Grow your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers in water, without any soil mess. This compact countertop garden has room for 6 different live plants. Its spacious design accommodates plants up to 12 inches tall. Our full-spectrum LED grow light mimics natural sunlight, helping your plants germinate up to 5 times faster than in soil. It even features an automatic on-off timer. The touch-sensitive control panel makes gardening simple. It reminds you when to add water and plant food, ensuring a worry-free experience. This system comes complete with a 20W LED grow light, power adapter, liquid plant food, and a gourmet herb seed pod kit. You'll be growing basil, parsley, dill, and more in no time. What we like? This system makes indoor gardening incredibly simple, even for beginners. It allows you to grow up to 6 different plants simultaneously, ensuring you have a variety of fresh herbs or vegetables. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to enjoy homegrown produce year-round and have a bit more space on your countertop, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The AeroGarden Hydroponic Garden is a fantastic way to grow fresh herbs and vegetables indoors, year-round. It's incredibly easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The automated lighting and watering system ensures your plants get the perfect amount of light and nutrients, leading to faster growth and higher yields. Number 4. AeroGarden Sprout Indoor Garden. Introducing the all-new AeroGarden Sprout. Its sleek, modern design enhances your indoor gardening experience with a silent pump and easy-to-use controls. Grow up to 3 plants at a time, reaching heights of 10 inches. This advanced indoor garden makes growing fresh produce simple, using water instead of soil. Our energy-efficient 10-watt LED grow lights are specifically tuned to meet your plant's needs. This maximizes photosynthesis for rapid, natural growth and bountiful harvests. This kit includes everything you need to begin your growing journey: pre-seeded pods, liquid plant food, and a quick start guide. For over 15 years, AeroGarden has been the market leader, providing fresh, safe food options. Enjoy the ease and safety of homegrown produce year-round. What we like? This option offers a sleek, modern look and is perfect for those with limited space. It's designed for simplicity, allowing you to grow up to 3 plants easily. If you're a beginner gardener or live in a smaller apartment and want to start with a few of your favorite herbs, this is a great entry-level system. What people say. The AeroGarden Hydroponic Garden is a fantastic way to grow fresh herbs and vegetables indoors, year-round. It's incredibly easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The automated lighting and watering system ensures your plants get the perfect amount of light and nutrients, leading to faster growth and higher yields. Number 3. Tigvio Hydroponic Pods Kit. Embark on your indoor gardening adventure with this comprehensive plant kit. It includes 125 pieces, providing everything you need to get started. Experience superior quality with our indoor grow kit. It features mineral-rich grow sponges and durable plastic baskets and domes for lasting use. This herb garden starter kit is designed for versatility. It works seamlessly with our brand and other hydroponic growing systems. Our indoor garden kit is incredibly user-friendly. It allows for easy transplantation of rooted plants into outdoor soil, bringing fresh flavors right to your kitchen. Ideal for all types of growers, this plant kit makes a wonderful gift. Anyone can cultivate veggies, herbs, fruits, and flowers at home with it. What we like? This is a comprehensive starter kit that provides everything you need to begin your hydroponic journey. It's designed for versatility and works with various hydroponic systems, making it a cost-effective option. If you're looking to get a large quantity of supplies for a great price or want to experiment with different hydroponic setups, this kit is ideal. What people say. The AeroGarden Hydroponic Garden is a fantastic way to grow fresh herbs and vegetables indoors year-round. It's incredibly easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The automated lighting and watering system ensures your plants get the perfect amount of light and nutrients, leading to faster growth and higher yields. Number 2. 125 PCS Hydroponic Pods for AeroGarden Grow Kit. Introducing our comprehensive Hydroponics Seed Pod Kit, designed to make indoor gardening effortless and economical. It's compatible with most AeroGarden models, bringing convenience to your home. This all-inclusive kit provides everything for your planting journey. You'll find grow sponges, labels, baskets, dome covers, and even tweezers for a complete setup. Crafted with premium materials, our grow sponges promote healthy root development. The durable baskets and domes ensure longevity, while the sticky labels stay put. Our thoughtfully designed sponges prevent seeds from falling and maintain optimal moisture for germination. They are user-friendly, making replacements a breeze. Cultivate any plant you desire, from fruits and flowers to fresh vegetables, all year round. It's the perfect gift for gardening enthusiasts and a wonderful addition to any kitchen. What we like. This kit offers a budget-friendly way to expand your indoor garden, as it's compatible with most existing hydroponic systems. It includes all the essential components for successful planting and is made with durable materials. If you already own a hydroponic system and want to grow a wider variety of plants without breaking the bank, this is a smart and convenient option. What people say. The AeroGarden Hydroponic Garden is a fantastic way to grow fresh herbs and vegetables indoors, year-round. Its compact design fits easily on a countertop, and the automated lighting and watering system takes the guesswork out of gardening. I love how quickly the plants grow in the AeroGarden. Within weeks, I had fresh basil, mint, and cherry tomatoes ready to harvest. The LED grow lights are very effective, mimicking natural sunlight and promoting healthy plant development. The AeroGarden Hydroponic Garden is incredibly easy to set up and use. Even for a beginner gardener like me, I was able to have it up and running in minutes. The instructions were clear, and the system is largely self-sufficient. Number 1. INBLOOM Hydroponics Seed Pod Kit. Introducing our all-in-one home garden kit, designed to make starting your indoor herb garden simple. It includes everything you need, from organic seeds to plant food, perfect for any gardener. These hydroponic pods are designed for broad compatibility. They work seamlessly with popular brands like AeroGarden and INBLOOM, and are also great for repotting. Our seeds are proudly grown and packaged right here in the USA. They are organic, heirloom, and GMO-free, ensuring high germination rates for an easy and rewarding harvest. Enjoy a diverse selection of fruits and vegetables, including strawberries, tomatoes, cucumbers, peas, and beets. You can grow these popular varieties right in your home. We use high-quality, reusable grow baskets and nutrient-rich sponges. These premium supplies ensure optimal conditions for your plants to thrive. Give the gift of fresh, homegrown produce year-round. This kit makes a wonderful present for family and friends who enjoy gardening, suitable for any occasion. We stand by our quality with a satisfaction guarantee. If any seed doesn't sprout, we'll send a replacement, so you can enjoy a wonderful gardening experience with confidence. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who want to grow a diverse range of fruits indoors, including strawberries and tomatoes. It's compatible with many popular hydroponic systems and comes with organic, non-GMO seeds. If you're a fruit lover or looking for a unique gardening gift that offers the satisfaction of harvesting your own produce, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The AeroGarden Hydroponic Garden is a fantastic way to grow fresh herbs and vegetables indoors, year-round. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, and the automated lighting and watering system ensures optimal growth conditions. I love how easy it is to set up and use the AeroGarden. The instructions are clear, and the app provides helpful reminders and tips. The plants grow quickly and are consistently healthy. The variety of seed pods available is impressive, allowing you to grow a wide range of produce. The LED grow lights are energy efficient and provide the perfect spectrum for plant growth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.